Alright, hi everyone. I am remaking the video on how to fold your DNA model. So after everything is colored and drawn in and cut out, you should have a piece of paper roughly this size with these colors, etc., etc. Before we start folding, I just need to go over some quick things. On your model, you should have two differently sized lines. You should have a thicker line and a thinner line. For the thicker line, whenever you see it, you're going to do a mountain fold, which means it's going to pop up like a mountain, with the top of the mountain being your thick line. And with the thinner line, you're going to valley fold, which means that the bottom of the V shape is going to be where your line is going to show. Okay, it's the same thing on your model. You have some lines that are thicker and then some lines that are going to be thinner. Okay, so step one of folding this model is to take it and fold it in half lengthwise, just like that, because the line down the center is a thicker line, right? So you can see it's a thick black line, therefore we're going to fold it so that it shows at the top of the mountain. It's called a mountain fold, just like that. Okay, give it a nice good crease. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the model and we're going to flip it over so that the thick lines that go horizontally are on the bottom. And we're going to take the paper and we're going to fold it from top to bottom or bottom to top, whichever, so that those thick lines become the tops of the mountains. You can see that the thick lines go all the way down your model. Just keep going, folding and unfolding. All the way down. Ooh, wow, I didn't even make it on the line for that one. My bad. Try to fold it so that it's actually on the line. Okay. So keep going until you reach the very end. Okay. And what you'll see once you're done with that fold all the way down to the bottom of the model, right, is that the valley side, the side that is the inside, is going to have the thinner lines. Okay, so once you're done, you should have your model looking like this. We're going to flip it over so that the thick lines that go horizontal are on top and the thin lines that go kind of diagonally are also on top. And we're going to fold those diagonal lines. We're going to take that and fold it like so. Okay. You're just going to fold where you see the thick diagonal line. Now, don't go all the way to the edge. You can if you want to, but it makes folding it a little bit harder later. Okay, just go from corner to corner like that, all the way down the model. They're all going in the same direction so that it's not quite as confusing, I hope. Just keep going. The last one. Okay. So now you have your horizontal lines and your diagonal lines folded. All you need are these two vertical lines. On one side, you're going to see it has a thicker line. The other side has the thinner line. So for the thicker line, we're going to fold it like that, mountain fold, and then the other side goes in the other direction. Okay, at this point your paper should no longer lay flat. All you have to do is unfold this part a little bit, not all the way, and then twist it in the direction that the molecule wants to go, and it should kind of collapse on its own. Or you can just do this and you have your DNA model.